All right, guys. Hey, I want to bring you guys along today for a pretty cool project, we think, don't we,
Yes,
Laurel?
we're excited.
A table, dining room table extension. It's going to be very interesting. You guys remember Rip? Say hi, Rip. He's helping me today. We're going to go back here and look at these parts, but I want to bring you guys and just show you what we've done to this point. The reason we didn't film what we've done up to this point is just some plain old glue up, a bunch of stuff, laminate stuff, and then, anyway, wasn't that exciting. No. I didn't think for that part. Let me show you where we're at. We're going to put these tables. It's a table, a little table, and two little benches. But hey, Laurel, come on. Let's go back here. We'll bring Rip along. We might have see Snowbell here in a minute.
Yeah, we might.
But hey, let's start. Let's start right here. Oh my gosh, we are super happy. This is a conversion varnish.
Oh, it is so
golly,
slick.
we're real happy. So this is a bench. This is a bench. These are the little feet that go under it. And so we've got another. Oh, let me show them this. These feet right here. Hoo-wee. Yeah, look at these. Hey, we matched what's out there. And this is what they've already got.
It's
and
identical.
We just kind of duplicated it, right? Yes. This goes under the table. This is one of two that goes under the table. If I dropped that, I would cry.
Yeah, you would.
Hoo-wee.
I would cry too.
Okay, so hey, let's look at these legs. So this was simple. Hoo-wee. This was simple enough, wasn't it? Just fastening these like this.
Yes.
On this long board. Look, guys, it's all one big piece.
You roll
and
it
look,
right in the spray
and I
booth.
just roll it in and out of the spray booth. So that was easy, wasn't
So
it?
easy.
Hey guys, turned it on an angle, and I just went down through here. Now you stained it all.
Yeah.
You stained it all, so that part was good.
So we had a chair that we brought from their current table, and we were able to take it to our local paint store, and they matched the stain for us to a T. It was just amazing.
Yeah, we was real happy, wasn't we?
We really are happy with this company.
And yeah, guys, let me show you this table. Yeah, this thing is so slick. Golly, we really like it. What's interesting is this right here is there again. We duplicated that. I used a wire wheel. And that's what they've got, and we'll show you guys. But then what else was interesting is I used this little guy right here, and I dialed it way back and made this dark like that with a dye stain. It just worked, guys. That's just a dye stain. I guess I put that dye stain up. But hey, guys, you know I'm a big fan of conversion varnish, and this is a medium rub, so this has got more shine than what I usually use. But see, it uses this catalyst right here, and so it's real similar to an auto finish, a clear coat on a car, isn't it?
Yes.
It's hard.
So these, the clients have grandchildren. They'll be able to set anything on these. It will never leave a ring.
Yeah, if they've got a cup that's like glass that's condensating, guys, you know what water rings are all about. Whoo-wee, leaves those rings. Say hi. You helping today?
He's so beautiful.
He's a purring.
He's 14 weeks old now. He's a big kitten for 14 weeks.
Yeah, he is.
He's born on Mother's Day. Sweet.
Hey, well, okay. Anything else we want to show these guys?
I'm excited for maybe the process to put everything together, but we'll definitely show the end result when we get it out to the client's house and have it sitting, especially, in a corner. They can do it as an accent, and then when they get ready to pull it over to their big dining room table for their extension for their family meals, it's going to mean everything to them. It's going to create a lot of continuing memories for this family.
It will, won't it?
Yeah, we're super excited.
They've been looking for this for how many years?
Oh, it's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Guys, they hadn't been pushing me. They're just like, we've been thinking on this for a couple of years.
Yeah.
Because they're like, we think we want this, we think we want that. And it's just the right time. And they're like, yeah, let's do it.
Yes.
So here we go.
Here we go.
Yeah. So I guess that's that. We'll get this thing put together, and we might show a clip or two of the process, but it's just it just all screws together.
Yeah.
But we thought we wanted to pre-finish all the parts and then just screw it together, and then voila.
Very easy.
That's what we think. Yeah. Up, time for him to get down, isn't it?
It sure is.
You ready to go? You ready to get down? All right. Say bye. Okay, guys.
Until next time.
All right. See ya.
Bye.
Peace. All right, guys. We just got this put together. Not that big a deal. It just all screws together. But this is, and there again, guys, we are so fortunate and blessed that people will allow us to create things for them. Oh, yeah. And they don't really, they're just, oh, fix us up, hook us up. And we get to do that. And that's something Laura and I was talking about this morning, is encouraging people. If this kind of work or whatever is your passion, try to turn it into a moneymaker. It's so rewarding. So anyway, enough about that part. Now, you guys are going to see, I'm going to make another short video when we take this in the house. All this little, all accent stuff, it'll make more sense when we get out there, how all this is made. But look, guys, I mean, this is nothing. I mean, I'm not going to say nothing. It took a while. Tyler did all the sanding. Oh, hey, come in here. Let me show this, how it's sanded a certain way. And these down here are sanded a certain way. And we actually did that on site. He did, to match what they've got. Guys, y'all will see that. Y'all will see that in a minute. But look right here. Just a bunch of screws. It's just screwed together. No big deal. Whoo! I don't want to drop it, though. I know that. I'll cry. Hey, but let me tell you, well, this was my vision. Tyler, grab your panel. Oh, so yeah. Tyler made, this was my vision. So this is going to set off to the side in this room. My vision was to make this. Okay, so these will stack and slide right in here if we wanted it to, guys. So envision that they're underneath there. I wanted to make this thing look like a chest of drawers. And look here, guys. Oh, look, let me show you. So we had to cut out on the back side. We had to modify that. It's just a panel, but look, guys, it looks like a chest of drawers. It's going to slide right up there, and it goes right in there like that. And it would have a side on it, two sides, and voila. That's what we thought we wanted to do. But we think they might think it's too much for that small room. So we're not going to do this. We may do a chalk paint on this if they decide, oh yeah, we want it or whatever. But I think they want it just open like this. We're going to hang on to this panel. Tyler did a good job, golly. He's got this thing dialed in. Look at the precision in that right there. Little custom baseboard. Anyway, it's super cool. Tyler did a great job.
Thank you.
But we're going to hang on to this. We may use it, we may not. But guys, I just want to show you. Pre-finished all the parts in advance and then just screwed it together. So voila, there you go. We'll see you guys out at the job site. We're about to get this thing loaded up and some other stuff for another project out there on that, at the same property. Say it like that. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you guys just a little while after we get out there.
Catch you out there.
All right, guys, we are on site. Say hi, Ty.
How's it going?
All right, so hey, look, so here's our table. There's our table, the original table, not what we built, but that's what was here. And then we brought in our stuff right here. Look at that, look at that. So anyway, you see now, guys, my inspiration for what it is I built. Got the legs the same and whatever. And then here's our little table up here. We got the color, pretty good shape. Here's our other little bench. It's over here. But anyway, guys, we're pretty happy. We're pretty happy how this turned out. Yep. And so it's just going to slide. It's going to reside right over here. That's where it's going to reside for the, This room isn't that big. So at any rate, okay. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Tyler? Whew, it's been a labor of love, hasn't it?
Most definitely.
Golly, man, we worked a minute on this thing just to. And Tyler, man, look at this. So the original, see right there how that's rounded, and he did the same round part right there. Same thing on these feet. Got them anyway. He did a great job on all that.
Thank you.
And
We
so
are happy.
there you go. So it looks like, Ty, we may be a little heavy on these things because what they've got it right there. But I may be a little heavier than they got, but whatever.
Some of these
Whatever.
original
See,
spots are darker than others.
here's some dark streaks. Well, that's very dark.
So is this right here.
Kind of like what we got. Yeah. Oh, that's real dark there, isn't it? All right. Oh, even the chairs. Look, the chairs got dark streaks in them. But anyway, guys,
Good match.
there you go. That's what we got today. We're going to get off to another project here on the same place. But at any rate, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Ty,
Have a blessed day.
see ya.